Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. So today I will show you how to solve this problem. The problem is about the city, but what is different between this problem and the other problem is because this is dictionary in dictionary. The last one is list in this dictionary and the dictionary in list. And this is I want to show you how to solve it. Make dictionary called city. So dictionary is the called city and list the names of the three SK in your factory. Okay, and create a dictionary of information about each city and include the country that the city is in and its proximity population and the fact about the city. The K for the city shall be like so. The city is as a K and the value is like country population and fact. So I wanna write down the dictionary. I have like a dictionary. This is the dictionary, and then you make some dictionary again in your dictionary. This is Jakarta using K, and then this is the K again, and then this is your value. How to solve this? Print the name of each city and of the information you have stored about it. How to solve this using for I think for cities and K. So this is the K and this is value. From city and what the meaning? City info maybe. City info in what is cities in cities dot item forget. Okay, print the first one is only print the city. The first one print f just only this city. I wanna just check it out about this Jakarta Amsterdam Tokyo dot title, then using for again for info. Is it true? Info in city info. City info. Print info. It's just like checking. Jakarta country based population fact. So that okay, so this is using info country population. Okay, info and detail. Info and Jakarta. I think I wanna add S and using that info and then detail. Is it true? Detail. Too many items. Is okay by using this or not? don't using N. I'm just using N. Jakarta. Country Indonesia, population. Amsterdam. Country the Netherlands, population 2 million. City and Canal. Tokyo, Jakarta, Japanese currency. So that's all. It's easy, but don't forget to, because this is using like k and value, just add info and detail, and then yeah, it's very easy for us to just using for. So that's all in part 6 about dictionary. Part 6 out of, so we will move on to bab 7 in the next chapter. Right, then thank you, dankjewel allemaal. Bye bye. Hey, don't forget to add. Bye 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 bye. Okay. Min M. Okay. Let's try another question in the next bab, in the next chapter. Bye.